What does feeding 10 dogs look like? He eats fast. Dang. So to protect this little one here from those two gannets. I haven't given that much rice tonight. They don't like rice that much anyway, but gives him a bit of something, it slows him down. The main one, and she's the boss. Look down. And the fourth. So we just got to protect. They're all nearly finished now. You just got to protect. There's only one way to protect them. Spoon on the ass. Yeah, go on, try and eat it. Try and do it off now. Come on. She's had the spoon a few times. So we'll just hold that for later. A really shy dog she is, and she doesn't husband it. You have to learn. There's only one way. He was a nightmare, he was. Now none of these bigger dogs try and steal another dog, so they find me out. But they will do it if dogs come around. Hey! That's the way like he's like the main dog, the main alpha male. Well, I thought, well, Snowy's only young, but Snowy's going to be the alpha male, I reckon, because he's just not scared of any of these. They give it the growls, and he growls back, and he doesn't, you know, he doesn't give any ground. Let's see if she'll have it. Yeah. Like she can just set the vibes to it. Snowy! She needs to get the vibes from the other dogs that she's got to go. I'm filming this on the iPhone 6 with a flash. Those two other little dogs there, I found them on the road and they were thin as hell. And this one was very thin as well, really thin. A few days ago, it's getting bigger now, it's just having eaten and what have you. But it's hungry. Oh, it was a lovely little dinner there it's having. Anyway, right, we'll leave it there then. There they all go. Bite! Bite! That's the signal to say it's the end. Yeah, that's the end.